Put a cactus in your window and see what happens. There are many people who still perform tricks, which are usually pretty good when looking for economic prosperity or keep away the bad vibes of your life. Today we give you a wonderful homemade trick. Since millions of years, this home trick is used. It is about putting a cactus in the main window of your house, although I have put cactus in all the windows of my house. What do you get by doing this? 1. Eliminate bad energies. 2. Attract prosperity. 3. Attract wealth. Cactus benefits at home. 1. The decoration with indoor plants plays an ornamental role. 2. Recent scientific research has shown that the benefits of indoor plants go beyond the aesthetic. 3. Plants in the workplace reduce labor stress and its consequences, sick leave, early retirement and loss of value in production. 4. In schools, they favor concentration. 5. In the United Kingdom, a group of students was studied for 1 year and classes were alternated in classrooms with and without plants. 6. Plants generate a sense of well-being. 7. Improve air quality. 8. Level the humidity and purity of the air, helping to prevent dryness in the mucous membranes, throat, skin and other effects resulting from the dryness of the environment such as coughing or skin irritation. 9. Plants contribute to the absorption of chemical pollutants and dust in the air. 10. Other factors affecting welfare in the workplace and increased work performance are the light, the color and the disposition of the furniture.